Up first this evening, the government today withdrew the controversial resolution to extend the period for which cabinet documents can be kept secret from 20 to 70 years. The motion was moved by Leader of Government Business in the Senate, Kamina Johnson-Smith, but not before the opposition again blasted the government over the plan. Hours into the debate to extend the state of public emergency in the St. Andrews South Police Division, opposition Senator Lambert Brown queried whether the proposed ATI amendment would be withdrawn.
Told us this morning when they announced public business that they were going to take that resolution. Nobody told us that. That's a fact. That's a fact. That's a resolution that was moved last week in our absence.
A point of order again, Mr. President. It has been said several times, Mr. President, it's in the public domain. The government intends to take a certain position, and the Leader of Government Business will do so. We haven't reached that place in this Senate session as yet.
Senator Brown.
So I've said...
Senator Brown, hold on.
Yeah.
Just hold on a little bit. Don't get your kinetic energy level too high. As advised by the clerk, you have not yet reached the point where if there is going to be a withdrawal, it will be done, as advised by the clerk.